Just like the skills required for other roles, a product manager's abilities can also be broken down into two parts: professional ability and comprehensive ability. Professional ability is specific to the role of a product manager, and it's easy to observe. It's like the tip of the iceberg, including all the knowledge and skills that a product manager needs to master. On the other hand, comprehensive ability refers to the softer, less visible skills, things like soft skills and overall qualities. These are harder to directly observe, but are just as critical for a product manager's success. Within comprehensive ability, collaboration and communication skills are absolutely essential. A product manager needs to work with various team members, playing a central hub role. Then there's planning, organization, and execution, which are core to product management. These abilities are key to getting the job done effectively. A product manager's job isn't always smooth sailing. Emotional intelligence and the ability to handle adversity are crucial as well. Since markets and users are constantly evolving, a product manager must also have strong learning and creativity abilities. A product manager is responsible for conceptualizing products that meet user needs, so empathy is also important. Logical thinking plays a significant role in navigating challenges and making decisions. A product manager's professional ability can be divided into strategic and execution dimensions. The foundation of this is execution ability, which includes core responsibilities like user research, requirements management, business process analysis, feature planning, development and execution, follow-up, launch, and iteration. If you're planning to switch careers or become a product manager, these skills are essential. A product manager with these skills is considered a junior product manager. They typically handle one or a few features of a larger product or a smaller product with a focus on execution. Product managers with skills one level up are considered senior product managers. They primarily focus on executing product strategy. They often manage a product line or a large product. In addition to execution abilities, they also need management skills. They can propose product solutions that meet user needs, including tasks like product architecture planning and creating common frameworks. They also need to train employees, pass on product methodologies, knowledge, and skills, and develop the product roadmap. They oversee product development and have experience managing systems within a specific domain or industry. At the top of the ability hierarchy is product strategy. A product manager with this ability is typically a product director or VP of product. They need to have a deep understanding of the industry, be able to identify business opportunities, and develop product and innovation strategies. They manage the product portfolio, organize product teams, and build the methodology and knowledge system. They also have product strategy experience. Apart from product-specific abilities, a product manager also needs a solid understanding of project management, operations, technology, and design. They need to work closely with project, operations, technology, and design teams to ensure the product's success. So, how do you develop your product management skills? The best way is through deliberate practice. First, you need to find a mentor who can assign training tasks, guide your practice, provide feedback, and offer suggestions for improvement. If you don't have a mentor, identify an outstanding individual in your field, analyze the gap between your current skills and theirs, and consistently mimic their methods to train yourself. Next, through practice, you create mental representations, enrich your mental models, and apply those models to new learning. Finally, you must continuously practice and incorporate it into your daily life. Improving your abilities requires ongoing time, effort, and feedback. We've integrated the concept of deliberate practice into our course design. Through this course, you can learn the core skills and knowledge system of a product manager. It combines watching, practicing, and testing methods, allowing you to not only input information, but also output it. By receiving feedback, you will continuously improve your skills and enhance your memory retention. The basic tools for product managers include prototyping tools, mind mapping, and flowcharting. Through the accompanying Axure RP course, you can quickly learn how to use prototyping and flowchart tools. Mind mapping tools are relatively simple, and you can start using them by visiting xmind.com. Additionally, I will be launching a series of workshop courses in the upcoming lessons. These workshops will allow you to build systems from scratch through actual project work. This hands-on approach is the fastest way to learn.